Here we've got my diesel bike I built. It's got a muffler, which is currently empty. You can take Brillo pads and shove it in there. That is what you think it is. Races Data, sponsored, with nothing but stickers. If you want, you can scan this, which I don't think you can in the video. I got Vossen wheels, as you can see. Here's the diesel tank. I'm currently very low on fuel, just a little bit in there. The sending and return line from the injector. This is the decompression valve. It's got a too small torque converter. I think it's a TAV 30. It needs to have a 60 because right now it's I'm burning up belts at a record pace. Actually, before I take off, I need to strap my pants. They only get hung up. I haven't had it happen yet, but it comes awfully close to the belt. My light. And that's my diesel bike.